remember one of these was pretty chill. Let me see. It's not bad so far.
A few moments later.
Oh, there's a tree. No, it's under that other tree though. Let's see. Okay, it goes down.
Yeah, the front, if you get the front free, then you can go that way with it.
Yeah. The front's free, but the... Well, hold on. Hold on. There we go. That's what I was trying to...
Let's try pushing it this way and see if we can snap it right there with some leverage.
Oh man, I don't know, but okay. We can try. Oh, I'm gonna get smacked. Let me see something real quick.
Because it's got the root ball.
I know. Ooh. Okay. Oh, we're moving. Oh no, the tree's on it. I thought maybe it could go under the tree, but I'm moving the tree. I didn't bring a chainsaw, so I was almost wondering if you could like drag it under it.
Yeah, I saw.
Oh, maybe.
How high can you lift that? To lever that up and I'll push this log underneath, maybe?
Oh.
Should be a little higher now.
It looks like it. Oh, we're getting there. Hold on, hold on. Let me get myself out of the way.
A little higher.
Yep. How much higher? Go up, and I will yank. Oh, there we go. We're through it. There we go. Nice. Now the problem is getting out of the way. Whew. Here we go. We're good. Ish. A little further. Here we go. Done. Okay. I'm tired. The cleared trail. We did it. Trail maintenance. Let's take a minute.
Down that? Holy shit.